Hello guys, this is Christian from swimtofly.com. Today we're gonna learn how to swim freestyle in 3 simple steps to master the front crawl. So remember, the freestyle is something very simple to learn. The main point is to remember the intention. So when you learn freestyle, you need to learn how to glide forward, how to stretch on the front, and you need to learn how to relax. It's very important. Swimming is all about being relaxed, to stretch forward and feel the right sensation, using correct strokes with big amplitudes and correct movements.
The step number 1 to learn the front crawl is to be able to do the arrow position, with your hand gliding on the surface of the water, your head under your arms and your kick on the surface. The step number 2 to learn front crawl is to be able to do front crawl with a board on the surface of the water. You push the board every third stroke and you breathe at the third stroke. You need to learn how to pull on the water and to keep the arrow position while you are swimming. The step number 3, part 1 to learn front crawl, is to be able to do the front crawl touch with your hands gliding on the surface of the water, touching the skin of each other. You have to turn at every third stroke. The step number 3, part 2, will be to do the front crawl touch with your hands on the surface and with a pull buoy in between your legs. You need to be able to keep your balance while you are swimming and don't fall when you turn your head to breathe. And the last step to learn how to swim freestyle will be to be able to swim the front crawl with your high elbows and your head turning at every third stroke. You need to glide as far as possible and to relax your shoulders to look for a maximum amplitude of each movement.